Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel D Creations Resources. We are going to talk about geometrical constructions today. Well, you could be a 7th standard student who is studying it in the regular class, or you could be anybody else who is intrigued about the topic geometrical constructions. Let's begin with a story. So there was this country called Mathland, and in that country lived a young boy called Arnav. Everyone asked Arnav, "What do you want to become when you grow up?" Well, he had 2-3 answers ready. Sometimes he thought of becoming an engineer, sometimes he thought of becoming a chartered accountant, and he told so. One day, someone asked him, "Arnav, why don't you become an architect when you grow up?" An architect, Arnav wondered. He was thinking, what should he know and what should he be good at if he wants to become an architect? Well, he closed his eyes and started thinking about what an architect would be doing. And lo and behold, someone tapped his shoulder. When he opened his eyes, he saw someone dressed as a magician. "What are you doing here?" Arnav asked. "Well, I'm here to help you. You're wondering what an architect does, and you want to know that at this stage, what skills should you develop when you want to become an architect, isn't it?" Arnav said, "Yes." "Well, there are several things that you need to know, but let's start from the basics. Here's a magic box. You can use it and start." Arnav hurriedly opened the box, and it contained a magical compass and a straight ruler. "Oh," said Arnav, "what are these?" Well, an architect would have to draw perfect figures, whether he's designing a bridge or designing a house or designing a palace or designing any other place. For that purpose, you will require these, because you need to practice drawing perfect figures. And this compass and ruler are not ordinary tools. With these, you can bring perfection to the world. Of course, only if you learn the rules of construction, geometrical construction to be more precise. "Ah," said Arnav, "I'm excited. Let's start." "Well," said the magician, "let's start by drawing a line segment." You should draw a line segment of a given length, say 4 centimeter. So use your ruler to mark 2 points. You can call them A and B and then join them. "Whoa, that's easy," said Arnav. "Correct. A line segment is the simplest path connecting 2 points. Okay. Let's try something little more complicated." "Sure," said the magician. "Let's construct a perpendicular bisector." "A perpendicular bisector? What do you mean by that?" "Well," said the magician, "can you divide this line segment that you've drawn exactly in half without measuring?" "Oh, how can I do it?" wondered Arnav. The magician said, "Now you will need to use your magical compass. First, place the compass point at A and draw an arc above and below the line. Without changing the compass width, repeat the same from point B. Now, the arcs are going to cross. The arcs cross above at point P and the arcs cross below at point Q. And now, if you join P and Q, it's a perfect perpendicular bisector. Please understand that this line PQ is going to pass through the midpoint M of the segment AB, and it is going to be at right angles. That means 90 degree to AB. "Ah, that was fun," said Arnav. "Now, can you construct an angle of 60 degree?" asked the magician. "Well, what is the first step?" asked Arnav. You've already drawn the line segment AB. Now with your compass at A, draw an arc. Keeping the same compass width, place the compass on the arc and make another cut. Join this new point to A. And what is the result? A 60-degree angle. This is the first key to equilateral triangles. Equilateral triangles, said Arnav. Ah, I remember. A triangle with all the sides equal and each angle 60 degree, right? Yes, said the magician. Right then, said Arnav. Now I will construct an equilateral triangle. So first, I will draw a line AB is equal to 4 centimeter. With compass at A, I will draw an arc of radius 4 centimeter. With compass at B, draw another arc of the same radius. The arcs are going to meet at C, and then I will join AC and BC. Oh, the equilateral triangle ABC is complete. Look at it. Each side is equal to each other and each angle is 60 degree. Wow. Now how do I draw a perpendicular from a point on the line? Well, again draw the line segment AB. Mark a point P on it. With compass on P, mark arcs on both sides of P. You can call them Q and R. And from Q and R, draw arcs above line which meet at S. Join PS and it is going to be perpendicular to AB. Now your final challenge. You have to draw a line parallel to a given line through a point not on it. Okay, how do I proceed? Asked Arnav. Well, draw line AB and a point P above it. Now draw a transversal cutting AB at Q. Make equal corresponding angles at Q and P using compass. And draw a new line through P. This is going to be parallel to AB. Well, asked Arnav, what's a transversal? Transversal is a line that intersects two or more lines at distinct points. Oh, said Arnav. Can you explain the construction of parallel lines again? Alright. First, draw the line segment AB and a point P that is lying out of the line segment AB. So what is your task? You have to construct a line that is parallel to the line AB and that is passing through point P. So choose any point on the line segment, call it point T. Now join this point T to point P. After this, taking point T as center and any suitable radius, draw an arc cutting the line segment PT at point M and the line segment AB at point N respectively. Now with P as center and radius as used in the previous step, draw an arc EF cutting the line segment PT at point Q. Okay, I've drawn it, said Arnav. Fine. Now with point Q as center and same radius as before, draw an arc cutting the arc EF at R. Okay, said Arnav, I've drawn it. Fine. Now join R and P to draw a line segment CD. Basically, you just have to extend it. And this line segment CD is the required line parallel to the line segment AB and it passes through the point P. Ah, said Arnav, this is fun. Well, said the magician, this is just the beginning. You have to go a long way ahead. But did you enjoy the magic with compass and ruler? Yes, said Arnav. I love geometric constructions. And I'm going to practice it again and again. And I'm going to try out many more geometric constructions. That's like a good boy, said magician. Till then, Bye bye. So this was geometrical constructions for you. Hope you enjoyed it and hope that you did not just listen to it and watch it, but you actually took a ruler and a compass and drew it yourself. So geometric constructions, a very important part of mathematics, and it is so related to your real life. So keep constructing till we meet next time. Thank you and goodbye.